Hey Nash, what should we make?
One of our subscribers asked us to make Scotch eggs. I'm not sure what that is. Maybe we just drink Scotch while making eggs?
All right, let's make Scotch eggs. Today, I thought we were headed to Scotland because we're making Scotch eggs. And I just assumed Scotch, they were from Scotland. But I would be wrong in my assumptions, which I am wrong, well, a lot of the time. And I'm sure that doesn't surprise any of you. But apparently they originated in England, maybe London somewhere. I'm not really sure. It's a little hazy. Kind of like the details of how to cook it, but I know the general thing. So we're just gonna make our own version and hopefully it works. So Scotch egg, I don't think I've ever even tried one. I know what they are. I've heard of them. Kind of always wanted to try one, but haven't yet. So one of our subscribers suggested it. For the person who did, I'm really sorry. I couldn't find it in the comments when I went kind of looking through because I know it was a little while ago. But if it was you, send me a comment and maybe we'll send you something. Anyways, so Scotch egg, if you're not familiar with what it is essentially a boiled egg. Could be hard, medium, or soft, depending on your preference. And then you wrap that in sausage and then you coat that in breadcrumbs and then it is cooked and deep fried. So crispy, breadcrumb coated, sausage coated boiled egg. Definitely not healthy, but sounds kind of delicious. So hey, without further ado, let's go. We got a little pot here. Secret time, as Bert Kreischer would say. I suck at cooking hard-boiled eggs. I mean, I can cook them where they turn out fine, but I can't, I continue to cook them where they don't peel cleanly. So we're gonna try a couple of hacks. If you want me to do a whole video on hard-boiled eggs hacks and how to make them peel more cleanly, that would actually be kind of cool. I'd be down. So put that in the comments, and if you guys want it, we'll do it. But for now, we're gonna try multiple ones all in one. So we have a few eggs here. Here's egg. So one of the hacks I believe is, I haven't really looked it up, but I saw it somewhere. So you know what, whatever. The internet doesn't lie, right? Take a little spoon or something and just kind of tap it. Apparently that helps. I don't know how hard to I don't want to break it, so maybe it's like that. I don't know. So we're gonna put these guys in. It like changes sounds. So maybe that's it. Maybe that means you kind of separated it. I'm not sure. But it's like a high pitch and then it changes pitch. Whoops, like that. Wait, is that the hack? Did I just crack the code? I don't know. Now, normally I've always boiled the water first and then put the eggs in, but I read something or saw something, I don't know. My brain just retains stuff. I don't really remember where I got it from. That you should put the eggs in the pan cold, put the water in, then bring it up to a boil, and then obviously the time changes of how long to boil it once it's boiling. So we're gonna try something new. I'll let you guys know if it turns out. So pour in water. Apparently you're supposed to cover the eggs by like an inch. And then one of the other hacks is add a little bit of vinegar or baking soda. I think if you added them both, you'd create some sort of a reaction, so probably not a good idea. So we'll try the vinegar. So here's like, I don't know, 2 tablespoons of vinegar. So now we're gonna put this on medium-high heat and we're gonna let it come to a boil. Once your water starts to boil, let it go for 4 minutes. If you want sort of a soft, medium boiled egg, 7 minutes if you want a hard boiled egg. So if you want that kind of jammy textured yolk, more towards the 4 minutes. If you want that sort of hard, cooked yolk, maybe better for like egg salad, then go towards the 7 minutes. It's up to you. You do you, boo. As soon as your time's up, kill the heat, take your eggs out of the boiling water, put them directly into an ice bath. I've always done the ice bath, but I've never really known why. Apparently, it's because putting them directly from the heat into the ice bath helps the actual egg separate from the membrane of the shell, so it makes it easier to peel. It also seriously reduces the time that it takes from boiling the egg to peeling the egg, so numerous benefits. So now we wait until the egg cools. And let's see how this works. Okay, not fantastic. I mean, maybe not terrible, but not great. Yeah, because they're still getting this uneven. I don't know what to say. I mean, we'll still make it work, but it's just not pretty. I'm sorry, I tried. At least I was honest. I told you guys I sucked at this. All right, so we got our not pretty eggs. And this one's all broken. Oh well. But based on this one, it looks like we got the perfect yolk. So that's a plus. We'll take that as a win. So what we're gonna do now is I'm gonna throw these in the fridge because in the next steps of cooking, we don't want the eggs to cook any more than they're already cooked. So we're gonna put this in the fridge and move to our next steps. All right, and then to a bowl, we gotta make our sausage layer. We'll go in with a pound of sausage. I guess you could use breakfast sausage. I'm just using Italian sausage. You wanna preheat your oven to 400? Go in with a pinch of salt, pepper, garlic, some chopped chopped up chives, and some chopped up parsley. Technically, this is supposed to probably be English mustard, but I'm just gonna do about a teaspoon of Dijon because that's what I have. And we're just gonna mix this all together. And we take some of this mixture, make it into like a ball, I guess, and then kind of smash it into like an oval. And then we take our little egg and then gently, because we have that soft yolk, we don't want to break that. Just make a weird little ball thing. There, like that. And just want to wrap the sausage around the egg so you have try to get an even layer as best you can. All right, so then we got our little sausage wrapped soft boiled eggs. We got our flour, breadcrumbs, I'm using panko, and then our egg. Although I've seen people do this without the flour and the egg, just put the breadcrumbs directly. So I'll probably do half and half. And then by the end of the video, we'll know if it's even worth the extra steps or not. I'm gonna season my flour and my breadcrumbs just with some salt, pepper, and garlic. It's already mixed up in here. So I guess we'll try the first couple with just the breadcrumbs. Now for this one, we're gonna do flour. We're gonna put this guy in the egg and then into the breadcrumbs. And now you wash your hand because it's gross. So these are the three that I didn't do the egg and the flour with, and these are three we did. So these you can see they have better coverage, so we'll see if there's a huge difference when they're done. But I'm leaning towards this may be necessary. We're just gonna throw these in the oven for about 10 minutes at 400, and that way everything should be cooked. So then the deep fry is just gonna be to crisp the outside. So 10 minutes at 400. So we got our deep fryer up to 370. All we need to do is get them crisped up. So we'll do, I think we can only do one at a time here. So we will go in for, I don't know, a minute, 2 minutes. And that looks about done. Let this guy cool on a little wire rack and wash, rinse, and repeat. So there we got all our guys. The ones on the right are the ones that we use flour and egg. The ones on the left are the ones we didn't. So now we're just gonna let them cool. So we got our guys here. They actually don't look, these look a little bit better, but these don't look a whole lot different. So I'd say you could do it either way. Let's cut them open. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that. That's so cool. We got the jammy yolk, just like we wanted. And we'll take our plate, a little bit of Dijon here. Technically, it should probably be English prepared mustard. And then we'll just do this. There we go. And there we go. And we'll just do a little bit of parsley for some greens. And we'll put the full guy over here. And there we have our Scotch eggs. Time for a bite. Cheers. It's actually really, really, really good. I mean, not that I'm surprised, but that the crispy exterior, the savoriness of the sausage, the richness of the egg, that kind of jammy yolk. It's not healthy, but damn, it's good. I say if it's something you wanted to try, I say shoot, go try this. It's kind of fun. Fun to make, looks kind of fun. I mean, look at this. It's so cute. It's freaking delicious. And I would say if you want to do the egg and the flour, go for it. If not, I don't think it's necessary because they turned out kind of the same. I highly recommend, go make it. Go try it. Give it a try. Not that hard to make either. For me, the hardest part was peeling freaking eggs because I can't get it clean. But maybe it's on my eggs or maybe I just suck. I don't know. Anyways, but hey, let's see what Nash thinks. Hey bud, how you doing?
I'm like a well-cooked souffle, a little fluffy and trying not to fall.
Well, check it out. We got these Scotch eggs you wanted. I got you, we made one that's dog friendly without the chives. Well, here you go. What do you think?
The crispy exterior with the rich seasoned sausage and that creamy, delicious egg is a pretty dang delicious combo.
Anything you want to say to your fans?
Kindness is the language which the deaf can hear and the blind can see.
Nash approves, I approve. Look, it's really good and pretty easy to make and kind of delicious. So hey, go give it a try. And hey, thank you so much for watching. Appreciate you all, love you all. If you wouldn't mind taking a second to like, share, and subscribe, it'd mean a lot, help us out. If you want notifications every time we drop a new video, go ahead and hit that notification bell. If there's anything you want me to make, you want me and Nash to taste, go ahead and drop that down in the comments, just like this one was born in the comments. Or head over to our website, timschaoskitchen.com, send us a message there. And hey, just remember, cook more, eat better, embrace the chaos. That's it for now, folks. Until next time, peace.